Concerns about Rio in 2016 are unprecedented.
The city still has a high crime rate.
Pollution,
violent crime, political and economic strife,
the threat of terrorism,
the Zika virus,
and many other challenges to face in its preparation work.
Brazil is way behind schedule.
The Olympics are in real trouble.
It's worse than anything they've ever seen before.
Just 6 months after the Olympics,
Maracana Stadium lies abandoned.
broken seats have been ripped out.
The Olympic pool, empty.
There's no money for maintenance.
We have a lot of potential and talent being wasted.
I think we're like one of the most corrupt countries ever.
Now we are feeling like a lack of hope.
While the U.S. media and the people of Brazil can easily recognize the negative effects of the 2016 Summer Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, the substantial benefits of the Games have not been told by the press. These stories come only from the people.
Diferentes línguas, diferentes culturas, né? Muito bacana.
It was a very, I think, happy time to be here in Rio.
Porque os cariocas nós somos muito sofridos, né? Com a violência.
The great legacy, the transportation.
Overall, it was very positive.
We are something, and in your media, in your United States media, we are different. So here we were like kind of trying to change that. I think we did okay.